Friends, I am JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh. We have discussed the topic sulfur cycle. Introduction. Microorganisms contribute greatly to the sulfur cycle. Photosynthesis microorganisms transform sulfur by using sulfide as an electron source, allowing thiobacillus and similar chemolithoautotropic genera in contact when sulfate diffuse into reduced habitats to provide an opportunity for different groups of microorganisms to carry out sulfate reduction. For example, when usual organic reductants is present, disulfovibrio uses sulfate as an oxidant. This use of sulfate as an external electron acceptors to form sulfide, which accumulates in the environment, is an example of a dissimilatory reduction process and anaerobic respiration. In comparison, the reduction of sulfate for use in amino acids and protein biosynthesis, other microorganisms have been found to carry out dissimilatory essential elemental sulfur reduction. These includes disulfuromonas and also cyanobacteria in hypersaline sediments. Sulfite is another critical intermediate that can be reduced to sulfide by a wide variety of microorganisms including Alteromonas and Clostridium as well as disulfovibrio. In addition to the very important photolithotropic sulfur oxidizers such as chloromatium and chlorobium, which function under strict anaerobic condition in deep water column, as large and varied group of bacteria carry out aerobic anoxygenic photosynthesis. These aerobic anoxygenic phototrophs use bacteriochlorophyll and carotenoid pigments and are found in marine and freshwater environments. They are often components of microbial mat communities. Important genera includes Rhizobacters, Erythromonas, etc. Minor compounds in the sulfur cycle play major roles in biology. An excellent example is D-methylosulfo neopropionate, which is used by bacterioplanktons as a sulfur source for protein synthesis and which is transformed to dimethylosulfide, a volatile sulfur form that can affect atmospheric process. When pH and oxidation reduction conditions are favorable, several key transformations in the sulfur cycle also occurs as the result of chemical reactions in the absence of microorganisms. An important example of such an abiotic process is the oxidation of sulfide to elemental sulfur. This takes place rapidly at the natural pH, which a half time of approximately 10 minutes for sulfide at room temperature. What is sulfur? Sulfur is the 10th most abundant elements in the environment, which atomic number 16. It is a bright yellow crystalline solid in its normal state with most of it stored underground in rocks and minerals and in ocean floor deposits. Sulfur is used for fertilizers, gunpowder, matches, and in insecticides and fungicides. It is a part of vitamins, proteins and hormones that are considered critical to climate and health of various ecosystems. Sulfur is one of the components that make up protein and vitamins. Protein consists of amino acids and contains sulfur atoms. Sulfur is important for the functioning of proteins and enzymes in plants and in animals that depend upon plants for sulfur. Plants absorb sulfur when it is dissolved in water. Animals consume these plants so that they take up enough sulfur to maintain their health. Most of the earth's sulfur is tied up in rocks and salts are very deep in the ocean in oceanic sediments. Sulfur can also be found in the atmosphere. It enters the atmosphere through both natural and human sources. Natural sources can be, for instance, volcanic eruptions, bacterial process, evaporation from water, or decaying organisms. When sulfur enters the atmosphere through human activity, this is mainly in consequence of industrial process where sulfur dioxide and hydrogen sulfide gases are emitted. Effect of sulfur on nature: natural weathering of rocks, landforms, etc. Volcanic release large amount of sulfur dioxide gas into the atmosphere. Sulfur dioxide gas can react chemically with oxygen, dust particles, and water to form volcanic smoke. Importance of sulfur: importance element of industrial processes. Second point, sulfur dioxide is an bleaching agent and is used to bleach wood pulp. Third, sulfur dioxide kills molds and bacteria. Fourth, sulfur is found in every living cells. Fifth, long used as medicines. Sixth, before the advent of antibiotics in the 1940s, drugs were commonly used to treat infectious disease. Components of penicillin class antibiotics medications for dandruff and warts have these integrants. How is sulfur used? It is also used to make cements, matches, fireworks, dyes, fungicides, powdered. Sulfur is found in lotions and skin creams integrants. Steps of sulfur cycle. The cycle begins with the weathering of rocks which release stored sulfur. Sulfur comes into contact with the air, converting it to sulfate. Sulfate is taken up by plants and microorganisms and is changed to organic form. Sulfur moves up to food chain. When organisms die, some of the sulfur is released back to sulfate and enter microorganism. Steps of sulfur cycle. Natural sources emits sulfur into the air. Sulfur eventually settled back to the earth or comes through rainfall, with some also going to the ocean. Sulfur is also drained to rivers and lakes, eventually to the ocean. Some of the sulfur from ocean go back to the atmosphere through the sea spray. Remaining sulfur go to ocean floor and form ferrous sulfide, which is responsible for the black color of most marine sediments. Positive effect of sulfur cycle. Used in many industrial uses. Example in manufacturing includes chemicals, medicines, plastic, papers, and other products. Also serve many functions in plants, such as used in formation of amino acid, proteins, and oils. Used in chlorophyll formation, promotes nodulation in legumes, help develop and activate certain enzymes and vitamins. Sulfur also benefits in human health. Negative effect of sulfur cycle. Produce acid rain. Effect of acid rains: number one, soil increasing the activity of the soil, slow and growth of vulnerable forest. Water, lower pH and increasing the aluminium concentration in surface water. Eliminate insect life and some fish species. Thank you.